So we got to the next stop, and the next stop we're at Coit Tower here in San Francisco, and we're gonna go check that out now. So here we go, Coit Tower. So let's go and have a wander around Coit Tower now and see what we can see there. The trees have grown so tall now you can't really see over the top. So we've got Coit Tower Cafe here. They're selling all different types of things. Ice creams, cokes, you name it, they've got it. Let's go around the back and have a look around the back. So it's a beautiful walk with all these massive trees as you go up to the back of Coit Tower here. Just check them out. Look at the colour of the bark again on them. They are amazing. Very unique as well. And just look what a view we've got here, Transamerica. And if you have a look, you can see all the Oakland Bay Bridge. Got another cracking view through the trees there, out in the bay. It's amazing. So we're going to have a walk in Coit Tower. Can't get in there, must have to go in further round. Again, look at the view you've got there again, and you can see the new sign of the side of the Oakland Bay Bridge there, where it was rebuilt. So yeah, absolutely remarkable there. Let's just head round to the front here and see if we can get in the building here. So look at the paintings in here. It's really, really unique. So wow, actually. So all the way around, you've got these absolutely amazing murals in here. All the people working and doing whatever they've got to do. So yeah, absolutely spectacular. Look at all this mural here with people working and sitting at the tables reading. It really, really is a beautiful place. These amazing murals. It says there it's the wine shop. And there's more there. Absolutely fantastic. So all the way round, we've got all these beautiful murals. Even got a cow there, like. So there's Coit Tower ticked off the list as well. So that's another absolutely spectacular, beautiful place we've visited. Really enjoyed it. And we'll head on to the next. Tells you there about Coit Tower. And let's just have a look there. Wow, look how tall it is. 300 odd steps up to the top. And the elevator is out of order. So I think I'll give that one a miss today. It's too hot to do that. The statue, was a statue there. They have removed that. Shame. It did always look quite good in the centre of the car park there.